absolutely nothing wrong with this attorney. If you want another attorney, you need to hire one. That's the person.
Whoa, check this out. The judge is laying down the law early. This is a classic hire your own attorney if you want one moment. For viewers at home, remember, the court can't just assign a new lawyer for free. The defendant has to take the initiative.
Thank you, Judge. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, no, it was for Joseph Stason, but that's fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Where's your client?
He's in the box.
All right, if you have him come down.
Hey, this guy's doing a victim. Heard about him?
Yeah.
Let's come back in.
Thank you. Thank you. Today's the plea offer day, Judge.
Mhm.
We received it. I conferred with my client.
All right, on this case, so an offer was tendered.
Big stakes here. Not only is this a murder charge, but a conviction could also trigger deportation. That's a serious double whammy. Imagine thinking about prison and being sent out of the country afterward. Talk about pressure on your defense strategy.
Yes, Judge.
All right, and has your client had a chance to speak with the immigration attorney?
We discussed this last time, Judge. The charge is murder, so it
Yes,
doesn't have
we know.
any bearing. It'll be automatic deportation if he's convicted of the charge and then released after his stint in prison and or probation.
All right, and you have all the discovery?
I have all the discovery. They just finally got the transcript of the translation of the interviews. Is that right? Correct.
All right.
So I'll get that. Last time we were here, Judge, my client brought up the issue that he wants another attorney. He's upset with me because I won't file a motion to withdraw. At this point, there's still not a conflict.
Okay, all right, so here's the thing. Mr. Moreno Vasquez, I want you to hear me and I want you to internalize what I'm saying, okay? If you want another attorney, you need to hire one. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, here's a quick legal nugget for the audience. This is the plea bargaining process in action. The state makes an offer, and the defendant can accept, reject, or counteroffer. It's like haggling at a marketplace, but the stakes way higher.
I don't know what the issue you may or may not have with your attorney. Sometimes the issue people have with an attorney is they're not getting the offer. They're not getting the offer that they want. Here's the thing. I've been a defense attorney. I've been a prosecutor. In this court, I require that the state tender an offer to the defense. You can either accept it or reject it. Or you can tell your attorney, I'm accepting it, in which case we will do a plea bargain agreement. Everyone, please whisper.
Thank you, Judge.
If they make an offer and you want to accept it, then we'll do the plea paperwork. You will enter your plea. If they make an offer and you say, I'm not accepting it, then one or two things will happen. Either you go to your attorney and say, I'm not accepting this offer, but I will accept A, B, or C offer. That is what's called the counter offer. Your attorney will take what you will accept, if that's the case, to the state. And then at that point, the state can say, all right, we will accept the offer that you want, or as we call it, the counter offer, or the state will say, we're rejecting that offer, and the only offer we will make you is the offer we made you. Do you understand?
Can I say something? Yes.
If you want to say something about what the state offer is, no, because I'm not allowed to hear that. Plea negotiations are supposed to be confidential unless you're accepting an offer. Do you understand?
Yes.
This part's gold for courtroom drama lovers. The judge just went full metaphor on us, beggars becoming choosers. It's a reality check. Your attorney is a professional, not a genie. Hire a new one if you're really unsatisfied.
Yes.
If you want to talk about the facts of your case, the only way I will hear the facts of your case is if you are entering a plea bargaining agreement or if there's a jury trial or a bench trial. Do you understand?
Yes, I just want to talk about my case, that's all.
No, the person you speak to your case about is your attorney.
Okay, si me lo puede cambiar, ¿no?
Yes, can you change attorneys or not?
All right, hear me clearly. Abogado, you need to hire one. I don't know why people think that when attorneys are appointed to them, and I mean no disrespect when I say this, it appears to me that sometimes beggars are becoming choosers. If you see somebody who needs food.
Here's a moment to pause and think. The court is emphasizing reflection. Accepting a plea isn't just about saying yes. It's about fully understanding the consequences. Audience, if you were in this defendant's shoes, what would you do?
And you offer them a hamburger and they say, no, I want lobster. This is your attorney. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this attorney. If you want another attorney, you need to hire one. Do you understand?
Okay.
Sí, es que como ya tengo tiempo así, nomás, y nunca me ha dicho nada, pues no estoy.
Yes, it's been a long time and he has never said anything to me, so I'm just waiting.
Oh, well, here's the thing. You're here, he's here. He can say something to you today. But my question for you is, did you receive the offer? Yes or no?
No.
No.
All right, so he said, I know, but if you will indulge the court, he's going to tender the offer to you that the state has made. When he tenders the offer to you, I want you to internalize it, think about it, and then you will come back before the court and you will let the court know whether or not you're accepting the state's offer. Do you understand?
Sí, lo entendí.
Yes, I understood.
All right. Thank you. You're welcome. All right, on Jose Lozano, is this going to be a long hearing? All right, who do you have with you?
Judge, thank you. This is Judge Boyd. Judge Boyd again, Sanders.
Hello, hi. So what is your position at the office?
I'm currently a law clerk. I'm awaiting bar results.
And here's a humanizing moment. The judge recounting their own bar exam experience. It's a great reminder that even legal pros started somewhere. Stressing over exams and results makes the courtroom feel a bit more relatable, right?
Yay. Okay, you're going to do great on the bar.
Yeah, I took it last week, so.
Yay! You know what? When I took the bar, I took it in February. And I don't know why they don't have something where they could at least, I don't know if they still do the multi-state, but at least they should be able to give you those results very quickly. I don't know why it takes so long. Right. And then it got to the point where I was just saying, I don't want to know. Ignorance is bliss. You're just walking around. Maybe I passed. Maybe I didn't.
Like, I'm okay in this state.
Oh, I'm right now in the state where I'm waking up in sweats because I'm like, I should have written this on the essay. I should have added this.
Yeah. But I didn't find out. That was back in the day where you had to go to the library because nobody had a computer in their room. And I was just asleep in the dorm and people were calling me, you got the results? And it got to the point I said, stop calling me. I don't have the results. Just leave me in peace. And so the person said, well, fine, Esquire Boyd. I'm like, what? They're like, you passed? I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh. And then, of course, I had all the energy in the world. So we went and celebrated with Sprite. But congratulations. I'm going to congratulate you beforehand because I know you're going to pass.
Thank you, Judge.
And thank you for asking, Judge.
All right, thanks.